Assalamu alaikum dear students, this is Mujahid Hussain with another video lecture. Hope all are you doing well at your homes. Dear students, in this video lecture we are going to learn about toggle between languages, that as InPage supports several languages, so like Urdu, Arabic, Pashto, Sindhi, Farsi and Kashmiri, and English as well. So for writing the different languages, you can go through edit and then preferences and keyboard preferences. You can see there last time we also learned about these preferences. So now you can select any language, like any preference, means keyboard layout or keyboard style, Farsi, Arabic, Kashmiri, Kurdish, or any user defined keyboard, and you can set keys according to your choice, according to your need. And after this one, you can also enable the Sindhi and enable the Pashto language from here. And I have selected the keyboard phonetic and then enabled the Sindhi and the Pashto language as well, and press OK. Now in the corner on the right side, you can see there is a written English, means now if I will write down anything, like I'm going to write Urdu in page, so Urdu in page. So now you can see writing in English language, because of the language which is selected is English language. So now you can toggle the language. You can select toggle the language. So just press Control plus space. If you if you press Control plus S on the right side below the corner where English is written, so you will see the language will be toggled. Like if I done Control plus S space, then now there is Urdu. If I press again, then you can see here Sindhi, again Pashto, English. So these four languages are available now in Urdu my InPage. So first of all, I am going to select English and just writing English. So now I can type in English, and if I want to write down in Urdu, then just toggle to Urdu and then just write down ARDW, then Urdu will be writing. And now we'll move to the Sindhi and just write down Sindhi. For writing Sindhi, just press R by 6D. So you can see Sindhi is on the keyboard on the screen. And after the Sindhi, if you want to write down the Pashto, so first of all toggle to the Pashto and write down P shift I then TW. So you can see all the languages on the screen. If you go through the Urdu language and if you do not toggle, then if you will write down Sindhi, then there will be another one. Like I am removing I am going to toggle the Sindhi, and after toggling the Sindhi, just press D for Y. And if you press these all in Urdu language, just toggle to Urdu and then press RYSD. Now you can see this is the result. This is another word, because I have write down this word in Urdu instead of Sindhi. And now again, when I will toggle to Sindhi and then I will press RY6D, then there will be Sindhi on the screen. So this is the way that how we can toggle to any language. Now we are going to write down a paragraph in Urdu language. So first of all, I will have to toggle to Urdu language. Now on the right corner you can see the language which is selected, that is a Urdu language. And now I am going to write down a paragraph in which that is only for the only for the girls and that can be also for the boys. لائک سنہری موقع ہے کہ وہ میٹرک ووکیشنل میں داخلہ لے سکتی ہیں جو کہ جنرل میٹرک کی نسبت آسان ہے. اس کے ساتھ ساتھ ٹیکنیکل تعلیم بھی حاصل ہوتی ہے جس سے وہ گھر بیٹھے اپنے ہنر کو استعمال کر کے روزگار بھی کما سکتی ہیں. دس از فار گرلز اینڈ فار رائٹنگ دس ون جسٹ گو تھرو دا رائٹنگ. سو فار رائٹنگ سنہری سنہری موقع ہے کہ وہ میٹرک ووکیشنل میں داخلہ لے سکتی ہیں جو کہ جنرل میٹرک کی نسبت آسان ہے. Then full stop and go through a new line and then اس کے ساتھ ساتھ ٹیکنیکل تعلیم بھی حاصل ٹیکنیکل تعلیم بھی حاصل ہوتی ہے. اور ہوتی ہے OWTI ہوتی ہے اسپیس جس سے وہ گھر بیٹھے اپنے ہنر کو استعمال کر کے روزگار بھی کما سکتی ہے. So this is actually paragraph. Technical تعلیم بھی I have write down I write down a paragraph in Urdu that سنہری موقع ہے کہ وہ میٹرک ووکیشنل میں داخلہ لے سکتی ہیں جو کہ جنرل میٹرک کی نسبت آسان ہے. اس کے ساتھ ساتھ ٹیکنیکل تعلیم بھی حاصل ہوتی ہے جس سے وہ گھر بیٹھے اپنے ہنر کو استعمال کر کے روزگار بھی کما سکتی ہیں. So how I have write down, I have go through this paragraph. So first of all you have to know that what are the keys are available behind this one. So for behind the just I will pronounce the keys and which key is behind that one. Like for writing Sunehri, SNORI, Sunehri, MWQE موقع, OYKO موقع, OYKO space W O MIT along with shift RK metric vocational W twice, then KIXNL vocational MI, then just shift and N में K along with the shift LO दाखला and then space दाखला ले for ले L Y ले शक्ति SKTI शक्ति हैं for हैं OI shift N हैं JW जो K and O जो के journal for journal JNRL for general metric MI and T along with shift RK metric KI NSBT nisbat A and then A again A along with shift then S A and N आसान OY है then full stop as in English language इसके साथ साथ AS is KY K साथ SATH साथ साथ technical T along with shift IKNIKL technical तालीम TELI तालीम BHIB हासिल H along with shift HA then for S along with shift and L हासिल होती OWTI होती OY है जिससे जिससे JS जिससे SYWO वो घर GHR घर बैठे BITHY T capital T along with shift THY घर THY घर बैठे अपने APNY अपने ONR हुनर KW को इस्तेमाल EST EMAL ASTEMAL इस्तेमाल KRKY करके रोज़गार RWZGAR रोज़गार BHIB कमा KMA कमा SKTI शक्ति OIN along with shift. So this is a paragraph you have to write down and then the reason behind I have repeated this paragraph and the spelling of the paragraph that for writing सुनहरी मौका है कि वो मैट्रिक वोकेशनल में दाखिला ले सकती है behind the letters which can be used behind. So I have not repeated the space, so you have to enter the space after each and every word. So this is the way. So now you have to write down this paragraph at your home for your practice. Is there any question, then ask me, and remember the keyboard of Urdu in page, and because you have to write down so many pages I will give you the task. Is there any question, then comment and ask me. I am available for you guys, and stay home, stay safe and stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.